Starting now, question number 3 for this topic of transformation, where the curve is shown there. And the question statement is, this is the curve shown there, which passes from origin and minimum point as 2 minus 1, and the max other point is 3, 0. The sketch of this curve with the equation y is equal to f of x, there is a maximum point 0, 0, a minimum point at 2 minus 1, and c passes through 3, 0. On the separate diagram, sketch the curve with the equation part A, y equal to f of x plus 3, part B, y equal to f of minus x. On each diagram, show clearly the coordinates of the maximum point, the minimum point, and any points of this intersection with the x-axis. Since this is the curve given to us, and we are going to show this property y is equal to f of x plus 3. So f of x plus 3 means it is the left translation of this whole curve. And according to this part, if P point is x, y, then the image of that point will be P dash, and that would be equal to x minus 3 and y. So the whole graph is going to be shifted towards the left of that origin there. Now, with respect to this part, the point O, which is 0, 0, will have the image as 0 minus 3 and y is 0. Then the point A, which is the minimum point, as 2 minus 1 will become as A dash, 2 minus 3 will become minus 1, and minus 1 will be as it is there. And the point B, which is 3, 0, after this transformation, the B dash will become 3 minus 3, that is 0, and 0 coordinate as it is there. So with respect to this property A of f of x plus 3, this graph is shifted towards the origin left of that with the 3 units. So we draw the sketch of this 0, 0 is going to be minus 3 and 0. This point A is A dash, which is minus 1 and minus 1. And this point B is 3, 0, and that thing is equal to be 0, 0. So now we will draw the sketch of this curve with respect to this part of this equation there. So if it has shifted 3 units towards the left of that origin with the same shape there, but with a scale factor minus 3 towards the left of that. So this is part A of this curve, and then the part B. Y equal to f of minus x. This means it is the transformation of that topic with respect to the y-axis, where we can make the coordinates as x, y, then it is going to be transferred to P dash, and x will become minus x and y will be as it is there. So due to this property, the origin, which is 0, 0, now will become 0, 0 there. The point A, which is 2 and minus 1, will become as a dash as -2 and -1. And C part there is, sorry, B part is 3, 0. So this point will become B dash and that will become -3 and 0. So the whole graph is going to be reflected about the y-axis with respect to this property there. And now we are going to draw the sketch of this portion there. Now, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and now we are going to draw the graph of this new topic of y is equal to f of minus x, or it is the reflection due to the y-axis. So we have seen it here that O dash will become 0, 0. And A dash is going to be -2 and 1. -2 and -1. And B dash is going to be -3 and 0 there. So this graph will be reflected about y-axis with respect to this part. So the sketch of this graph will be so it is this graph of this in the y-axis reflection due to this portion of y is equal to -x. Now the minimum point is going to be lying at -2 and -1. This is the minimum point of that, and the maximum point is origin, which is 0, 0. And it is going to cross the x-axis at -3 and 0 and 0, 0 there. So this was the question information there, which is being obtained from this question number 3 of this topic of transformation with the two parts. One is due to the so one is due to this translation on x-axis, and one is due to this reflection about y-axis there. So this is the complete solution of this problem number 3 with these parts showing maximum and minimum and other. I hope you will understand this part, and if you have any questions, you can write down in the comments of this